Hello friends, in this video I am going to talk about how to use that .pem file to connect to AWS EC2 instance. In my last video I have shown how to create an EC2 instance and to connect to that EC2 instance from within AWS console. In this video I am going to show you how to use that .pem file, right? Which tools you require to convert that .pem file to ppk file so that you can connect using that ppk file from your desktop or laptop running Windows operating system. In this video I am going to show you that complete demo. I will also show you from where you can download the software through which you can connect to AWS EC2 instance from your desktop or laptop. You don't have to connect to AWS console to connect to that EC2 instance. So first of all, this is the EC2 instance which I am running, right? And if I show you here that which key type is associated with this, let me show you. By scrolling right on this EC2 instance, you can find out that what is the key name. You must have .pem file downloaded from the AWS console when you were creating this EC2 instance. You can use this key next time also when you stop or when you create this EC2 instance once again. So let me show you that how can you, which software do you need. You need puttygen for this. Download now, right? Go to this site and download now. Now I will open this software, how to convert that .pem file into .ppk file. Let me show you. I have already downloaded it. I am not going to download it again. Okay. Once you have downloaded that puttygen, you can double click on that installer for Windows and install it on your machine. Once it is installed, you can go to start, then type puttygen. It will open that puttygen. Once this is opened, what you have to do is you have to load that .pem file using this load option, and from here you will have to select all files and double click on this or single click and open. Click on OK and use this option, save private key, and make sure that type of keys to generate is .rsa is selected here. Save private key. It will give you a warning. Are you sure you want to save this key without a passphrase to protect it? Yes. It can be any name, but for simplicity I am going to save it with same name. Please make sure that there is no dot in this, and the file type, save as type, is .ppk. Save it. Close this tab here. Okay. Now that was for converting .pem file into ppk file. Now we need another software to connect to our EC2 instance, right? Which will accept that .ppk file. I will also post a command to be used on Linux machine. There is no need to convert that .pem file into ppk file from Linux machine. You can directly make use of .pem file to connect to EC2 instance from that Linux operating system, desktop or laptop. Now coming to Windows machine once again. So I'm going to show you another software which you can download, which is, you type in putty. You can download it from here. By the way, if you have already downloaded puttygen, then you don't need to download it once again. You can simply type putty, go to putty here, and it will open, right? So let me show you how to connect. So I'm going to copy this public address from here, copy it, paste it here, I can save this any name, or I can say demo putty use, right? I can save it for future use. I can go to SSH auth, click on auth, browse that ppk file path. I'm going to browse. So I have imported this file here. Again I will go to session, click on open, make sure that port number 22 is selected, SSH is selected here, open, click on accept, and as I mentioned earlier, the password is login as, we are going to log in as ubuntu because I have used Ubuntu machine. Yeah, if you have noticed, now we have connected ls-l, or I will try to increase the font size from here, change settings, appearance. From here I can change the font size so that it is visible to you. Clear ls ls-l, right, mkdir test vi test file test file. You can see that test directory, test file have been created here. I can use cat test file. You can see this is the content which I typed a while ago. So using this process you can easily connect to AWS EC2 instance from Windows or Linux. In this video we have talked about how to convert .pem file into .ppk file, which can be used to connect to that AWS EC2 instance, and the command to connect to AWS EC2 instance from Linux machine is also there in the description section of this video. Also, before we disconnect, please don't forget to stop this connection by going to instance state, stop instance. Whenever you are done, please make a practice to stop this instance. So I have stopped this instance. After a while the state will be stopped state and I will not incur any charges on that, right? So I hope with this you have liked this video. You will share this video with others as well. See you in my next video. Please stay tuned with this channel. Lot of interesting content is coming soon. In my next video I am going to show you demo on DynamoDB also. So thank you so much. See you once again in my next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.